and Nicole, I go love this, you know. Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime.
Plate. Up with it.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Half cup of honey. 1 tablespoon lime juice. Freshly squeezed. About 4 mint leaves. Literally a pinch of salt. Helps to balance that sweetness in the honey. The banana slices. What the citrus does is to stop the bananas from oxidizing. Keep them nice and colorful. And 1 kiwi. Half of an apple, skin on. Half of a mango, scoop that out. Easiest way to get the mango out of the skin. Half peach, diced, and you can leave the skin on for more crunch. Half dozen grapes, about half dozen blueberries, half cup of melon, a few wedges of oranges for a bit more acidity and color. And we add 2 strawberries to this. Toss that up. And look at our apples. How nice and radiant they still are. That's because they have that citrus from the orange, the citrus from the lemon, the lime juice, you know. This is the absolute summer delight. You know what I say? Very refreshing, very healthy, and not to mention tasty and light. So a little afternoon or breakfast snack, man. Bring it through brunch. And there you have it. Fruit salad made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast girl and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.